Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks with me Guneet. Today in this video we will learn about another multiplication trick which is below base 1000. In this trick we multiply the numbers lesser than 1000 but are near to 1000. So let's understand it better by taking examples. So the first question here is 996 multiplied by 994. So now first of all, we'll take the deviations. So 996 minus 1000, which gives you minus 4 as deviation, and 994 minus 1000, which gives you minus 6 as deviation. Now make a partition. In the first partition, first number plus the second deviation. So 996 plus, the deviation is with the negative sign, so minus 6. Now here 996 plus and minus makes it minus. So minus 6, and in the second partition multiply the deviations, which is minus 4 multiplied by minus 6. 4 multiplied by 6 gives you 24 and minus multiplied by minus gives you plus. So here the answer in the second partition is 24. Now, since the base is 1000 and we need to have 3 digits in this second partition. So here we have only 2 digits. So here we'll add 0. So now the first partition we get 990 and here we got 024. So the final answer is 990024. Now let's take another example. 997 multiplied by 996. So the deviations will be 997 minus 1000, which will be minus 3, and 996 minus 1000, which will be minus 4. Now make a partition. In the first partition, first number plus the second deviation. So 997 minus 4, since the deviation has a negative sign. And here in the second partition, multiply the deviations, which will be minus 3 multiplied by minus 4. So in the first partition, we get 993. And here in the second partition, we get 3 4s are 12. And minus multiplied by minus is plus. So plus 12. Now here, since the base is 1000, we need to have 3 digits in the second partition. So we'll add 0 before 12. So our final answer will be 993012. Now let's understand this method better by taking more examples. Now here the question is 988 multiplied by 991. So let's find out the deviations. So 988 minus 1000, which gives you minus 12 as deviation, and 991 minus 1000, which gives you minus 9 as deviation. Now make a partition. In the first partition, 988 minus 9. And in the second partition, we will multiply the deviations, which will be minus 12 multiplied by minus 9. Now here the answer will be 988 minus 9 gives you 979, and minus 12 multiplied by minus 9 gives you plus 108. So now we already have 3 digits in the second partition, so we don't need to add any 0 before the number. So our final answer will be 979108. Now let's understand the next question, which is 980 multiplied by 992. So let's find out the deviations first. 980 minus 1000, which gives you minus 20 as deviation, and 992 minus 1000, which gives you minus 8 as deviation. Now make a partition. In the first partition, first number plus the second deviation. So 980 minus 8, because the deviation is negative. In the second partition, multiply the deviations, which will be minus 20 multiplied by minus 8. So 980 minus 8 gives you 972, and 820 multiplied by 8 gives you 160, and minus multiplied by minus gives you plus. Now here we already have 3 digits in the second partition. We don't need to add any zeros before the number. So the final answer is 972160. I request you all to please practice these tricks thoroughly in order to use them in your day-to-day calculations. And if you want practice question books, then please message me on WhatsApp on the number given in the description below. And please hit the like, subscribe and share button to motivate us to make more such learning content for you guys. And please share your suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.